Welcome to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button now. Freelancing means you are your own boss. You choose your hours, clients, and projects. All you need are marketable skills and the right platform to find clients. Want to learn how to make money freelancing? In just about 5 minutes, I'll walk you through how to get started, what skills are at demand, and how you can earn today. Let's dive in. Current research shows that freelancers on Fiverr can make around $5 to $300 per gig, with the average payment between $1,000 and $2,000 per month. Freelancing is a type of self-employment where individuals offer their skills, services, or expertise to clients on a project or contract basis rather than working for a single employer. So, why freelancing? Freelancing has become an increasingly popular way to earn a living for several reasons. Number one, flexibility. Freelancers can set their own schedules, working when it suits them best, whether it's full-time, part-time, or just a few hours a week. 2. Diverse income source. Freelancers can work for multiple clients simultaneously, which diversifies their income streams and reduces dependence on a higher employer. The third one is location independence. Most freelancing work is done online, so freelancers can work from anywhere, whether that's at home, at a cafe, or while traveling. You can offer services in a wide variety of fields, including writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, consulting, photography, video editing, and more. Unlike traditional employees, freelancers are not tied to a fixed salary or long-term employment contract. Instead, they get paid based on the work they deliver, either per project or per hour. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to 2 websites you can start as a newbie freelancer. The first one is Freelancer.com. This website is one of the world's largest online platforms, connecting the freelancers with clients looking for a wide range of services, ranging from content creation, software development, marketing, and much more. So, for you as a freelancer, this platform will allow you to showcase your skills, bid on projects, and build your reputation by completing your work for clients around the globe. It's really a flexible way to earn money. So this is how this platform works. You sign up and then you create a profile. After creating your profile successfully, you browse and then you bid. That is, you search for projects that match your expertise, and then you submit your bid to win the work. So this is my personal dashboard on freelancer.com, and I'm going to show you some of the work or project that has been posted by employers. So you can see content writer required. It was posted by an employer just 5 minutes ago, and the employer is paying $30 to $250 for this project. Another employer also posted for a freelancer content creator for a YouTube channel, and that one is $15 to $25 for that particular project. So guys, you can choose any of the projects you have the necessary skills to deliver effectively. There are numerous projects on freelancer.com. We have fiction book development and publishing, which is also going for $2 to $8 for that project. We have a job fair attendee and interview coordinator, that one to $2 to $8. Home service clients, $250 to $750. So each project determines the amount of money you earn. It depends on the project, and it depends on the amount the employer is paying for that particular project. So we have social media content creation. If you are good at content creation, you can go in for this project. Another item, investigate deleted Facebook accounts, Facebook posts. That one too is in pounds, £10 to £15. So this platform is basically a worldwide platform. Anybody can go there and start freelancing job. So let me click on the English comprehension paper creation. That one was posted just 2 minutes ago, and it's the employer is offering £10 to £20 for that particular project. So I want you to look at the requirements for this project. That is the basic requirements the employer is looking for on the part of the freelancer who will get this project to complete the task. So the skills required are creative writing, and then English language teaching is also required. So if you have these skills, you can just bid for this project, and when you win it, you are good to go and see money flowing into your accounts day by day. The second website is Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a platform where most businesses and individuals come to find freelancers to perform specific tasks for them, from programming to graphic design, digital marketing, writing, and translation. So if you have these skills, you can use Fiverr.com to start your freelancing journey. And as a new freelancer, choosing the right platform can make all the difference in building a successful career. And Fiverr offers an incredible opportunity to get started quickly and effectively. Here's why. Fiverr is easy to use. It's user-friendly. The interface makes it easy for new freelancers to create professional-looking profiles and showcase your skills. And then you can start earning. It's not complicated to start on Fiverr. Just create your gig and you are ready to go. And another advantage of choosing Fiverr is that it has a global audience. Yes. Fiverr connects you to a worldwide audience, giving you the opportunity to offer your services to clients from various industries and backgrounds. This means more exposure, more work opportunities, and a diverse portfolio from day one. I will personally add that Fiverr is a platform anybody can start without any skill. You can start making money on Fiverr by providing services like data entry, whereby you input data into spreadsheets or databases, and then you manage those records for organizations or for individuals. And when it comes to providing a service like social media management, you don't need unique skills to do some of these jobs. You can start gaining from social media management, and then you can start with Fiverr by becoming a virtual assistant or providing virtual assistant services to individuals or to organizations who need personal secretaries, but they want them virtually. You can also provide customer support services, whereby an individual or an organization hires you to provide customer services for their clients. And a task like customer service is not a difficult task to perform. It ranges from offering emails or chat support services to businesses, or responding to queries and resolving issues, all through mobile phone. You can also provide translation services, whereby you translate from one language to the other. You can also provide basic graphic design and then writing and editing services. In all, starting out as a freelancer can be challenging, but with Fiverr, you have a platform that supports new freelancers with ease of use, a global audience, and a clear path for growth. It's a smart move for anyone looking to turn their talent into a thriving business. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. See you in our next video.